Welcome back to the channel here at Tracer G. My name is Sammy. Today I'm going to give you guys an update on BITF. So, if you guys haven't read the news yet, today they've decided to convert their senior notes, and thus post-market we are seeing continuation to the downside. So, that being said, we are seeing a descending wedge pattern here on the 4-hour time frame. And on the daily, I want you guys to note that this is not yet bearish for me. I would lean a little bit bearish toward, as I stated before, right below the $4 range. And then from there on out, I'll be looking at the golden pocket ratio. But right now, it's still bullish. I mean, the overall trend is not bearish. If you guys notice this pivot area on the RSI, price likes to hit these zones and then eventually make a nice little bounce to the upside. Again, center line touch, nice little upside swing. So going into tomorrow, if we continue to the downside, I'm going to be keeping an eye on the RSI coming down on the daily center line, and then hopefully we see it bounce. And then eventually one day see a double bottom, and then hopefully we make some upside. But right now the trend is in. It's to the downside, and rightfully so. They converted their notes. But again, it's not bearish. It's okay. You know, you just had a massive swing to the upside. Let price come to you. Be patient. This is not going to get you rich tomorrow, next week, maybe not next month. Right now, the company needs money, cash flow, to build out their data centers. So if you guys didn't see or hear their space talk with Ben, the CEO, yesterday, you know, a lot of it is just, you know, being patient. And a couple months out, you know, as they build their infrastructure, they're gonna have to raise some cash, and thus we see one today. And this is just a long-term game, guys. This is just another. If you guys remember APLD days, well, it took some time, and look at them go, $30. So. They're now building the Polaris. They finished the Polaris 1. That took about 8 months, 9 months, and now they're building Polaris 2. Same scenario with Bitfarm. These guys got their Panther Creek, I think it's called, in Pennsylvania. So it's all about being patient. If you guys don't have patience, don't get in something like this. It's not for you. But I'm not seeing anything bearish thus yet. And if you look at the 4-hour, if you look at the 30-minute, we are breaking. Well, this is a key trend line here, so it's very bearish here. Okay, and if you guys see a consistency here at support, again, I suspect price coming down at this 236 macro $4. I suspect, at least I would like to see a consolidation phase for a couple of days. Once we hit, I'll be shocked if we pile drive or drill through the 236 macro without, you know, testing or doing double bottoms, triple bottoms. I'll be surprised. But if we do, the next support area is the golden pocket. In this range, this would be a not so bad area to consolidate in. Why? Because we do have a liquidity node here, guys. And let me just go ahead and consolidate to the 1 hour. For you guys, there's a lot of price action that fall here. All right, we rejected it, we bounced it, came back, retested, bounced it, and then we broke up. So there's a lot of liquidity in this little area. All right, and if we do break below the $4, next zone is around the golden pocket ratio, 618 or the 6.5. I'm not leaning bearish yet. There's nothing to worry about. And the long-term game, you're going to end up winning if they execute, obviously. So in terms of the overall sentiment, it is bearish. Okay, it is bearish, but you know, at the end of the day, just like APLD, Irene, Cypher, you know, Rome wasn't built in a week. Rome wasn't built in a day. Rome was built through time. So it's about time. So that's the update for BITF, folks. So thank you so much for watching the video. This was a quick TA. Nothing to stress. Long-term hold. My opinion, they have to execute. Stay put. Not financial advice. Have a beautiful day, guys.